how to use Bitchat. So here's Bitchat Mesh app. First of all, it's only available on iOS App Store for iPhones. For Android, it's not available officially, so don't download these copycat apps. You can try to install it from GitHub on Android if you know how to. But yeah, here you can just see that you can just chat with people around you. Don't need their phone or email. Just add group chat for any function. Use Bluetooth mesh, no internet needed. Relays message to go the distance, encrypted private messages. And then you could just open it up. This is how it looks like. It's really built by Jack Dorsey. And it's just using your Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi. So you need to have people in your area who are using it. You can try it out with your friends. And then you can just change your username like that. Just tap return. And then you can just kind of chat in this group chat, which is available for everyone who is in the Bluetooth range. I don't know whether it's like 100 meters or 200 meters. Then you can just tap on the logo and then you can see offline communication. That's all the features. Mentions, use nickname to mention people, no tracking, new pure ID generated regularly. Panic mode, you can just triple tap logo to clear all your data. And then that's your username. That's how you change it. There is no login. You can't delete your account. You can just tap on any account and then you can just send private message. You can slap, so you can block someone, but I don't know how you can then unblock. So that's just what you have. And then you have network. So yeah, that's just what you have in here. And that's the idea of the app, as you can see. And so yeah, that's just how you get started with it. Again, if you're in some remote village or whatever, probably there are not going to be people around you, but maybe in some bigger US city, like among some nerds, you can try out this app. But yeah, this is maybe just for friends or something like that. A lot of apps, messaging apps, have this feature with Bluetooth messaging, but this is they have this like Bitchat uses binary protocol optimized for Bluetooth LE with TTL-based message routing. So you can, all right, so it's like 30 meters just the maximum distance, but you can just do that. Like, for example, Alice's message to Dave hops through intermediate devices, Bob and Carol to reach his destination. So, for example, even if the person is further than 30 meters, you can access them because they are kind of connected to each other through each other. And then at its core, Bitchat leverages noise protocol framework, specifically XX pattern, to establish mutually authenticated end-to-end encrypted sessions between peers. So that's what you have in here. Pretty interesting. So that's the idea. So I don't know, there are some functions like here you can just see some functionalities: block on, block, clear chat messages, send some warm hug message, and then all right, so you can browse through this command. You can message someone, then you can set password for channels, just like that. So you can see who is online, and these are the commands you can use. So that's how you can try it out. So this is kind of why Jack Dorsey built this app. Because again, this is kind of like a blockchain for messaging, kind of. As Dorsey describes Bitchat as a decentralized peer-to-peer messaging application, evoking connections to the Bitcoin's white paper in which it is described peer-to-peer version of electronic cash. Much like Bitcoin eliminates reliance on centralized intermediaries in finance, Bitchat could remove central authorities from digital communication. So again, similar idea, like decentralized chat, kind of. I think he built like Blue Sky, which is decentralized social media. So that's kind of the idea. So yeah, pretty cool. Try it out.